Our today's recipe is a baked potato snack. It's so delicious and you can serve it as a side dish. Let's start. As a first step, you need to prick your potatoes with a fork. For this snack, we like to wrap our potatoes in foil because we want to have a soft skin and moisture inside. So, get your foil, have your potatoes on them, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and top the potatoes with small portion of butter as well. Then add a few cloves of garlic, as much as you like. Then wrap it up with your foil and prick the top part with fork. This goes into oven until the potatoes are softened. For me, it took about an hour. Now that the potatoes are cooked thoroughly, add any kind of cheese that you like. I'm adding mozzarella, cheddar, and Parmesan here. And I'm topping it with a bit of thyme as well. You can replace it with any other kind of herbs that you like. In my idea, thyme really goes well with potato. It's so delicious. Again, wrap it with foil, goes back in the oven for a few minutes just so that the cheese melts. And there you go, the cheese is melted. It's smelling amazing because of the thyme, and look how thoroughly it's cooked. Enjoy, and please like and subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Bye guys!